Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am looking fabulous today, as you can see, and I'm sure you look fabulous at home as well. So today, if you saw my last video, you would have seen me do an unboxing of my first brand dress, the Rapunzel JSK by Alice and the Pirates. Ever since receiving that dress, I have come to love that dress so much, and I can finally give you a cord video. Not finally to you, because to you that happened last week, but for me it's been months. So I finally have all of the pieces I need to make a full cord for that, minus the shoes, and I'm gonna put that together for you today. So here we are in an extension of me and my partner's closet. We have a lot of clothes together, so you can't see it, but there's a whole other rack over here, just full of like suits. And ignore all these, this is not Lolita, but this is what we have collected so far, and some sneak peeks of dresses that you'll see in future videos. So let's get everything out that we need, and then I'll put my makeup on and a wig and show you the full cord and how I like to coordinate this out of the things that I have so far. So first and foremost, the main piece is the beautiful JSK. We'll need a blouse, and I have just two legit blouses right now. I really like to do this one. It's like a very princessy kind of cut to me. So we'll do that. And then for the socks, we're going to do the OTKs that they came with. So those. And then my partner for Valentine's Day got me some wrist cuffs and a headpiece that goes really, really well with this. I love them so much, so I can't wait because I haven't been able to use them yet. And that is this. These are, they bought them for me from an Etsy shop called Earnestly Adorable. I love that shop. I'm going to buy more from them in the future. Absolutely, for sure. I have a couple of other options for headpieces to wear with this cord. But since I just got these, I really want to try them out with it. But I also have, and I'll show you, this really adorable bow, also a gift from my partner. It is so, so cute. It's got touches of like lavender and pink, and it's actually the Disney Rapunzel movie inspired bow. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little frying pan right in the middle, so it's so cute. I love it so much, and I have worn it with it in the past, in the last couple of weeks. So that's everything there. And then for the wig, I have a wig that I got from Dreamholic USA, and I love this wig. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen a post of me wearing that wig. It is so beautiful. I love it. So I'll do that. And then my wrist cuffs and bloomers are here. Here are the matching wrist cuffs to go with this headpiece. It's so cute. I love it so much. It's so cute. And I'll need my wig cap. And then the bloomers right here. And then of course I'll need my petticoat. And for this one, I have two really great petticoats. For this one, since it has more of a lower waist, I like to go with this one. I don't remember what brand this is, but I got it on Glitzy Wonderland. My partner got it for me on Glitzy Wonderland. So she's the best. Yeah, that's everything we need. So let's go ahead and move to the bedroom where I can do my makeup and get started from there. Yeah. Welcome to my vanity. Let's get started. Yeah. I got these on Amazon. These are actually really convenient. You just like charge them and then stick them to your mirror. Because I have a really nice mirror, I don't want to have those on there all the time. Okay. Fluffy headband.
Vogue.
This is the look. Yeah, Vogue. Okay. So I'm gonna start with green primer. It just helps cancel out the redness of my skin. Because I don't really like to do, sometimes I'll do foundation if I really want a really, really clean look, but I honestly don't like to do that very much. Because I like my skin the way it looks, and I get worried that the more I use foundation, the less I'm gonna like my face when I take makeup off. So that's reserved for special occasion. Is this a special occasion? I don't know. Onto the eyes. Got a primer stick. This is just e.l.f. They're also cruelty free. Pretty much all of my makeup is cruelty free. If I have anything that's not cruelty free, I bought it like 6 years ago or something before I was vegan. And just haven't thrown it away yet. Okay. Now, for this look and any more like classic Hime type look, I like to do not necessarily natural, but definitely not as like extravagant as I like to do with my more like casual kawaii looks. So those are where I like to do a lot more fun makeup, but for this I do it slightly more understated than I would on a day-to-day basis. Also, I have a mirror here, but I got in the habit in like high school or college of holding a handheld mirror up to my face so I could see perfectly. I cannot do anything except like blush in this mirror, but I like to look at my overall look and like see what I think is wrong, and then I hold this mirror up to my face. I don't know if anybody else is like that. So I'm gonna start with, I have this beautiful e.l.f. palette, and I like to go in with this really light shimmery pink for the corners of my eyes. The makeup is not important because there are no rules with makeup. In Lolita fashion, it's just what you like, and so I'm just showing you what I like. And it's probably the least important part, but it's probably the most time-consuming part of this video. So it's just, if you're needing ideas, you don't have to wear any makeup. If you don't want to, that's totally fine too. Oh, what I just did was, this is a really old palette. What is this? Oh, Urban Decay. I always want to say it's NYX, because I don't know. And I love this like really sparkly peachy pink color called Snatch in this palette. And then I also go in that palette, it's called, what do I do? Bordello. Bordello. Every time I see this now, I think of this one. I don't know if it's in a lot of Tyler's videos, but if you've ever seen Scarfing Scarves with Tyler, there's one where she's doing a wardrobe tour and she keeps saying like, this isn't a bordello or something like that. Now every time I see this eyeshadow color, I just think of that. And it's just kind of like a grayish purple. And I just use that for the crease of my eye to give it a little bit of shadow. without making it look like bam. Still gorgeous. I use this Trolls palette, and they have this, it's this like shimmery goldish pink, and I kind of just like to put that everywhere. I put it all over on top of the eyeshadow I've already put on because I think it's like a nice duster layer on top, and it's kind of almost like a rose gold basically. And I'll put it on top. I'll probably use it as a highlight in a hot minute. Put it everywhere. I just like a lot of sparkles, a lot of shimmer.
I put that on everything.
Yeah.
Frank's red hot.
I'll put that on. I do put red hot on a lot of stuff. And I used to like my makeup to be very matte. I did not like shimmery eyeshadows, but that has changed in like maybe the last year. Now I love lots of shimmer, lots of pink, lots of purple. I used to like the color purple, but not on any of my clothing or anything, and I got rid of a bunch of purple clothing, and then I dyed my hair purple, and now I'm obsessed with purple. Okay, let's brush out these eyebrows. They're a mess. Not doing anything crazy with my eyebrows, just making sure I don't have a unibrow. I don't. We're good. And then a thin layer of black eyeliner. This is Hard Candy's Little Black Dress Stroke of Gorgeous eyeliner. Like, does everybody have that one eye they like can do it perfectly on, and then they go to their other eye and it looks just atrocious? This is why I use this mirror. I'm like, does it really look that bad? Yeah, it does. And then, because of all the wiping, I like to just go back in the crease one more time, and it also helps to mask that wing a little bit, smoke it out a little bit, so it's not so bad. And then this is Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I like it. Usually I use e.l.f. mascara, but I got this as like my free birthday gift from Sephora, and I've been using that. One eyelash that's just longer than all the other eyelashes. It looks so weird, so I wipe the mascara off the end of it because otherwise it's like very blatant that there's one really weird eyelash. Okay, so mascara is done, and I also like to go in on my waterline, my lower waterline, with this, it's Marc Jacobs, and it's like a very, I don't know what the shade is, Pinky Swear is the shade. Okay, so there's that, and then blush. I have, this is super, super old. I have had this since high school. It's just, it's Maybelline Master Glaze in Just Pinched Pink. I'm almost out of it, actually. And I like to do it very high up. I actually didn't used to do it this way until I was watching Lolita videos and I saw other people doing it like that, and I thought it was really cute. And then I like to go in on the nose as well, because I'm a goddamn delicate flower. And I usually overdo it and end up rubbing a ton of it off. Then I go back in with that like kind of rose gold shimmer. And I do that for my highlight, which honestly it's not very like, it's not actually a very light color like a highlight is supposed to be. It almost looks purpley, like it's not actually light, but it is so shimmery that I just don't care. For the lips, I just use this. This is kind of the only pinky color. I need to get more pink lip colors. It's Trace in Paris Pink. So now my lips are pink. And that might be it for makeup. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you'd like to see more of my coordinate videos, please hit the subscribe button below and the like button, and please feel free to leave a comment. I'll be checking my comments. And yeah, I just appreciate you guys watching and seeing my first, well, not my first coordinate, but my first coordinate video. It's very exciting, and this was my first brand dress, if you saw my unboxing, like I said earlier. If you haven't checked that out, but yeah, I love it, and I'm definitely, it's still cold outside, so I haven't worn it outside. I also don't have shoes for it yet, but once I do and spring is around the corner, I'm sure I'll be wearing it out, although I guess there's nowhere to wear it to. But yeah. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!